A nice, long, deep breath now, a deep cleansing breath. Exhaling, letting your body relax. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Our goal is to quiet the mind, relax the body, and tune in to the Spirit expressing in and through and as you. Just like a wave is an expression of the ocean is being the wave. The ocean of Spirit is expressing as you. Right now, you are one with, you're an expression of the ocean of light, love, wisdom, power, substance, joy, peace, creativity, all good. Right now, you're always an expression of that. The great saints and sages have taught us throughout the ages. You are always the image and likeness of Spirit. Always, always, always. It's just that we block it. We frustrate it. And we can unblock it. And this time now is one of the ways that we get ourselves centered back in the awareness of who we are. We live in an amazing universe, an amazing world. God is real. Sometimes it may be hard to believe that. We may struggle with that because of things that happen in the world or in our life. Sometimes we may wonder. Perhaps this is why Jesus the Christ said, "Judge not by appearances." Judge not by appearances. By appearances, the world is solid. By appearances, everything looks pretty solid. And yet, with the most powerful microscopes, we realize there's a lot more going on. That this world that appears solid is particles popping in and out of what scientists now know as a field of light, a field of energy. What appears to be solid is really a swirl of energy, subatomic particles and atoms, all being held together by some mysterious force. The source is the mysterious force of this field of energy, this field of light. And that right now you've got 33 trillion cells in your body. 33 trillion communicating with each other, organizing, harmonizing, causing things to go on that we don't do. None of us does any of this. We just trust it. We don't even think about it. We just trust it. So the great saints and sages have told us there is a presence, a power, an intelligence That's the source of everything. And it's expressing as you right now. God is. Spirit is. And you're an expression of that. Your consciousness, your awareness. Your awareness that you're aware. What we might call I am. God is. I am. You are real. God is real and you are real. You are magnificent. The image and likeness of Spirit. So let's now move beyond words and thoughts by relaxing this physical body, sending the message to every muscle. Relax and let go. Scanning your body from your feet, through your calves, your thighs, letting your abdomen and stomach relax. Relaxing your chest, your arms, your shoulders, your back, your neck. Relaxing your face, your forehead. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. And now beginning to watch the flow of your breath. Another mystery. The breath just flows. We don't even have to think about it. It's just happening every moment. We're not doing it. So now we're just going to observe it. Observe this miracle that's happening in you every moment. As your breath flows in, like a wave rolling into the shore, and as you exhale, like the water going back into the ocean. Just watch your breathing. And when your mind wanders, just keep bringing it back to the breath. And now as the breath flows in, mentally think the words, God is. Or if you prefer a different word for God, please use that one. God is, and then as you exhale, I am. God is on the inhalation. I am on the exhalation. And when the mind wanders, bring it back to the breath and the affirmation. And now taking a nice long deep breath. And imagine that you are an expression of brilliant light emanating from this field of light, the one presence and activity of spirit, expressing as you. Feel the warmth of that light, the joy of that light, the peace of that light, the calmness of that light, the love of that light, filling your heart, overflowing, the radiant light filling every cell of your body with well-being, with wellness, with strength, with courage, with peace, with joy. Feel that that light fills the room where you are. And from this feeling of light flowing forth from you, see your friends and family and loved ones, radiant expressions of that light, looking beyond appearances and knowing the truth for each one of them. You are a spiritual being. Let your light shine. See them radiant with light that casts out all negativity, all doubt, all fear, all sadness. Radiant beings. And now we expand our awareness to include our planet Earth and every person on it. All radiant beings, spiritual beings. We include the planet Earth, all the animals, all of life. And we are so very grateful. And we bring our awareness now back to our body, back to the room where we are, hearing sounds around us, feeling the feet on the floor, the chair beneath us, letting our eyes adjust to the lighting in the room. And we move forward in our day, trusting that we are in tune with the divine flow, the activity of spirit, and we allow it to unfold in and through and as us. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.